Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am featuring a product that can be used on your bike. Let's get started. Hi guys, thanks for staying with me. Today I'm going to give you the pros and cons of owning a quad lock system to help secure your phone to your bicycle. And I'll show you the installation of this system. Here are the items that I purchased. I purchased a poncho, an iPhone case, and the handlebar stem mount. On my bike I had the Bontrager computer system mounted in the center, which I removed and will be relocating this device. Here is my old handlebar mounted phone case holder which failed. I removed this old case and I purchased another case which was too bulky as well, and I did not even attempt to put this on because it didn't even fit my particular handlebar system. As you can see, the phone case is designed for my particular phone. Also, the quad lock handlebar stem system came with the set, and I also purchased what they call a poncho, which is indicated here. Prior to placing the items on, I did like a pre-check to see exactly the location I wanted to place my phone and also the Bontrager computer. This video is not sponsored by Quad Lock. I purchased all the items that are displayed in this video on my own. As you guys know, phones are expensive, and so I did put this case on my phone. I'm removing it at this time, but I'd like to tell you it did save my phone once it popped out of that old phone holder on my bike and slammed into the concrete. Whew, I was lucky. Let's grow together by like, share, and subscribing to this channel. Alrighty, I'm going to place the quad lock case that I ordered. Unfortunately, this case only comes in one color, black. It took a little time in getting the phone into the tight case, but I was able to get it in there. Leave me a comment below if you ever drop your phone while cycling. Quad Lock website offers different mounting systems depending on how you want to set it up on your particular bike. I selected the stem mount bracket system. I also ordered a poncho. This poncho just helps protect your phone in case you go in the mud or you get caught in a rainstorm. It'll help protect it. As you can see, you can still use the functions, touch screen, etc. with the poncho on. Alrighty, let's get started with mounting the stem bracket for the quad lock. Here's some instructions that comes with it. Just placing the stem mount on the stem itself. I'm not going to use the zip ties. I'm going to use rubber O-rings that are supplied with the kit. Next, you use the rubber rings to attach to the stem bracket. But you have to pull these rings around the stem and attach it to the other side. Rubber rings were super tight, so I had to use my little plastic pry bar to make the attachment to the other side of the bracket. A flathead screwdriver will work the same. Just be careful that you don't break the rubber rings, or simply just use your hands. Once your stem bracket is secure, then you can attach your phone to the bracket. Now it's time to attach your phone case to the stem bracket. at a 45-degree angle. It may take you several times, but once you get it, you'll hear it click in and it's locked on. And to get your phone off of the stem case, you push down on the blue button and it will release at a 45-degree angle. Now, since I've had the quad lock system, I put approximately 65 miles on my bike with the system attached, and the phone did not come off at all. During my 65-mile test ride with this system on, I hit some bumps in the road and this phone did not move at all. Here's how the poncho goes onto your phone case. Dream have pros and cons on the quad lock system. The quad lock website is easy to maneuver through. You can select different cases for different phones. It's easy to install. It secures your phone quite well to your bicycle and not bulky on your bike. The con is that the case does not come in different colors and they need to redesign the case to make it more grippable. On reviewing this product, I overall will give it an 8 out of 10 because it did secure my phone to my bicycle. As always, treat the person as you want to be treated. And we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.